Start with the sleek, animated introduction highlighting the Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro. Show the tablet in various settings, emphasizing its sleek design and vibrant display. Welcome to our in-depth review of the Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro, the latest flagship tablet from Xiaomi that's turning heads with its impressive specs and premium design. Whether you're considering upgrading your current device or diving into the tablet world for the first time, stick around as we uncover everything you need to know about the Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro. First up, let's talk about the display and design. The Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro boasts a stunning 12.4-inch 3K display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. This means you'll experience buttery smooth scrolling and an incredibly responsive touch experience. The display also offers a peak brightness of 900 nits, making it perfect for use even under bright sunlight. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or just browsing the web, the display quality is nothing short of spectacular. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the high refresh rate ensures a seamless experience. Moving on to the design, Xiaomi has outdone themselves with the build quality. The Pad SiXS Pro features a unibody alloy housing that feels both sturdy and premium. At just 6.26 mm thick and weighing 590 grams, it's sleek and relatively lightweight, though some users might find it a bit hefty for prolonged one-handed use. Under the hood, the Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, one of the most powerful chipsets available in the market. This ensures top-notch performance across the board, whether you're multitasking, streaming high-definition content, or gaming. You have two configurations to choose from: 8 GB of RAM with 256 GB of storage, and a more robust 12 GB of RAM with 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Both configurations offer plenty of power for everyday tasks and more demanding applications. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? In our tests, the Pad SiXS Pro handled multitasking with ease. Switching between apps was fluid, and we experienced no slowdowns even with multiple apps open in split-screen mode. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any tablet, and the Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro doesn't disappoint. It packs a massive 10,000 mAh battery that can easily last you through a full day of heavy use. Whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or playing games, you won't have to worry about constantly reaching for the charger. When it's time to recharge, the Pad SiXS Pro supports 120W fast charging. In our tests, we found that it could charge from 0 to 100% in about 40 minutes. This is incredibly convenient for those times when you need a quick top-up before heading out. Now, let's talk about the audio and camera quality. The Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro features 6 speakers with Dolby Atmos support, delivering rich and immersive sound. Whether you're watching a movie or playing a game, the audio experience is impressive, with clear highs and punchy bass. When it comes to photography, the Pad SiXS Pro is equipped with a 50MP main camera and a 32MP front-facing camera. For a tablet, the camera quality is quite good. The main camera captures detailed photos with accurate colors, and the front camera is more than adequate for video calls and selfies. However, it's important to note that this tablet doesn't include a SIM card slot or microSD expansion. So, if you're looking to expand storage or use cellular data, you'll need to rely on Wi-Fi and the internal storage options provided. Close-ups of the tablet's ports and connectivity options. Demonstrations of USB 3.2 Gen 1 data transfers and video out. Narrator. Speaking of connectivity, the Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro offers a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. This port supports 5 Gbps data transfer speeds and can also be used for video output. This is great for connecting to external displays or transferring large files quickly. Additionally, the tablet features a capacitive fingerprint reader that's built into the power button. This provides a convenient and secure way to unlock your device, and in our experience, it was both fast and accurate. The Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro runs on HyperOS, which is based on Android 14. This ensures you get the latest features and security updates. The user interface is smooth and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through the various settings and apps. Multitasking is a breeze on this tablet. The split-screen mode works seamlessly, allowing you to run 2 apps side by side without any noticeable lag. This is particularly useful for productivity tasks, such as taking notes while watching a lecture or researching while writing a document. While the Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro excels in many areas, let's address its gaming performance. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, you would expect top-tier performance in gaming. For the most part, it delivers. Popular games like Genshin Impact run smoothly, but there are occasional frame drops and stutters, especially in more graphically intensive scenes. In our tests, we noticed that while the tablet handles most games well, it does struggle a bit with extremely demanding titles. This might be due to thermal throttling, as the device tries to manage heat during extended gaming sessions. However, for casual gaming and less demanding titles, the performance is more than adequate. For those looking to use the Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro for productivity, there are a few accessories worth considering. The tablet supports a keyboard cover and a stylus, both of which can enhance your productivity and creativity. The keyboard cover attaches via pogo pin connectors, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. It provides a comfortable typing experience with reasonable key travel. The stylus, which charges wirelessly, offers precise input for note-taking, drawing, and other creative tasks. In conclusion, the Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro is an outstanding tablet that offers a lot for its price point. From its stunning display and premium build quality to its powerful performance and impressive battery life, it checks nearly all the boxes for a high-end tablet. Stunning display, premium build quality, powerful performance, impressive battery life. While it does have a few drawbacks, such as the lack of a SIM card slot and occasional gaming performance issues, these are relatively minor in the grand scheme of things. If you're in the market for a new tablet, the Xiaomi Pad SiXS Pro is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tech reviews. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another device you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching.